Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a sandbox in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our setup menu. We click on this icon, we go to setup, and after that, we need just to simply search for sandbox. We type sandbox here in the quick find so we can find this. We go to sandboxes, and from here we will find the sandboxes. So basically depending on your license, you will have some trials for your sandboxes or a maximum amount of sandboxes that you can create. So here I'm just going to create a new sandbox. You give your sandbox a name. uh, let's name it my sandbox or whatever, and then you will need to choose the license. And of course, I only have this one, so I'm just going to click on next. Here you will need to choose the data storage. Better for your testing trial, use this one. You give it an access. So of course, if you have some a public group that you have already created, you can create groups in uh, your group setups. So here you will find the public group and you can add users here. So I have already this uh, public group, and then you will need just to click on create. And as you can see, Sandbox took a maximum of half an hour to create. So you will need just to wait for the time to pass until you will have your sandbox created. So I'm just going to click on cancel, and after your sandbox is created, you will need to access it by clicking on login. So when you click on login, you will need just to add your password and you will have your sandbox that will be, or you will successfully connect to your sandbox. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.